origins of the DJI Neo 2 rumor can be traced back to a well-known source in the drone community, Jaspier, also known as X27. With a history of accuracy leaks, Jaspier has earned a reputation for providing reliable information on upcoming DJI products. His recent post showcasing images of the DJI Flip also contained a cryptic but exciting detail. Neo 2 is coming late 2025. Given his track record of correctly predicting the launches of the DJI Air 3S, DJI Neo, and Google's N3, his statement has led to intense speculation about what DJI has planned for the Neo 2. DJI has once again captured the spotlight with the launch of its latest innovation, the DJI Flip drone. This new model has stirred excitement among drone enthusiasts, not just for its features, but also for what it signals about DJI's continued innovation. However, while the Flip drone is grabbing headlines, rumors of another upcoming release are generating significant buzz. Industry insiders suggest that DJI is working on the DJI Neo 2, an upgraded version of the current Neo, expected to arrive later this year. With speculation mounting, many are wondering whether they should invest in the DJI Neo now, or wait for its successor. To understand the potential improvements in the Neo 2, it's important to first examine what the current DJI Neo brings to the table. Designed as a lightweight and portable drone, the DJI Neo caters to both casual users and aspiring content creators. Weighing just 4.88 ounces, it is an excellent companion for travelers who want a high-quality flying camera without the bulk. Despite its compact size, the Neo is packed with technology, featuring a 1 Legacy camera equipped with a 1/2-inch sensor capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second. Its control options are diverse, allowing users to operate it via the DJI Fly app or through voice commands for hands-free convenience. One of the standout aspects of the DJI Neo is its AI-powered tracking technology, which enables it to follow subjects autonomously. With smart tracking and direction track modes, users can capture dynamic footage effortlessly. Smart tracking ensures the drone stays locked onto the subject, while direction track allows for creative backward-facing shots that keep the subject centered as they move forward. These features make the Neo feel like a personal camera operator that fits in a backpack. Additionally, DJI has incorporated its advanced stabilization technologies, rock steady and horizon balancing to deliver smooth, shake-free footage, even when capturing fast-pacing action scenes. For vloggers and content creators, the DJI Neo has several built-in enhancements. It includes 6 quick-shot modes, such as Drone, Rocket, Circle, Helix, Spotlight, and Boomerang, all of which allow users to capture cinematic shots with a single tap. To improve the vlogging experience, DJI has also integrated an audio solution that enables users to record narration through their smartphone's microphone. The DJI Fly app automatically eliminates background noise from the drone's propellers, ensuring clear audio to complement the stunning visuals. When it comes to safety and ease of use, the DJI Neo is built with features that prioritize a smooth flying experience. It can be controlled via a smartphone with a range of up to 164 feet. For those who prefer a more traditional piloting experience, DJI offers optional remote controllers like the RCN3, RC Motion 3, and FPV Remote Controller 3. The Neo is equipped with propeller guards for added safety and boasts level 4 wind resistance, meaning it can withstand moderate winds while maintaining stability. Additionally, an automatic return to home function ensures that the drone safely returns to its starting point if it loses signal or if battery levels drop too low. Beyond video recording, the DJI Neo serves as a capable photography tool. It supports 12-megapixel still images and offers 22 GB of internal storage, providing enough space to store approximately 40 minutes of 4K footage. With an 18-minute maximum flight time, the drone offers a good balance between portability and performance. Charging is also convenient, with support for USB-C connectivity, allowing users to recharge the battery quickly and efficiently. With all these features, the question arises, should prospective buyers wait for the DJI Neo 2, or is the current Neo sufficient for their needs? While the Neo 2 is still shrouded in mystery, there are a few factors to consider before making a decision. On one hand, the current DJI Neo is a well-rounded and highly capable drone, offering intelligent tracking, stabilization, and creative shooting modes. Given that it was released only a few months ago, it represents some of DJI's latest advancements in consumer drone technology. Waiting for the Neo 2 means delaying the chance to capture high-quality aerial footage, and there is no guarantee that the new model will bring revolutionary changes. However, for those who are willing to wait, the Neo 2 could introduce meaningful upgrades. If DJI follows its pattern of incremental improvements, the Neo 2 may feature an improved camera sensor, extended flight time, or enhanced AI capabilities. For technology enthusiasts who always want the latest and greatest, holding off for the Neo 2 might be a tempting option. Additionally, if DJI establishes an annual upgrade cycle for its compact drones, waiting for the next iteration could become a common strategy among drone enthusiasts. Some drone experts suggest that the DJI Neo 2 could include better obstacle avoidance technology, an area where the current Neo is somewhat limited. If the next iteration includes omnidirectional sensors similar to those found in DJI's higher-end models, it will be a significant upgrade, making it a more appealing option for beginners and professionals alike. Additionally, battery life improvements could be on the horizon, addressing one of the most common concerns among drone users. If DJI extends the flight time beyond the current 18 minutes, the Neo 2 could become a more versatile tool for capturing long sequences without frequent recharging. Another key consideration is pricing. If DJIs follow its typical pricing model, the Neo 2 will likely debut at a higher price point than the current Neo. For budget-conscious buyers, this could mean that the current Neo remains the better option, especially if the upgrades in the Neo 2 turn out to be minor. As with any technology purchase, timing and individual needs play a crucial role. If you need a drone now and don't want to wait for an uncertain release date, the DJI Neo is a fantastic option that already delivers high-end performance in a compact form. Ultimately, the decision comes down to individual needs. If the current DJI Neo meets your requirements for portability, camera quality, and intelligent features, there's little reason to wait. It already delivers an impressive experience, making it a valuable tool for content creators, travelers, and hobbyists alike. However, if you're someone who prefers having the newest technology and can afford to wait for potential upgrades, the DJI Neo 2 might be worth the anticipation. It's hard to wait. Keeping an eye out for the DJI Neo 2's official announcement might be worth considering. Until more concrete details emerge, the best approach is to assess your priorities and decide whether capturing stunning aerial shots today is more valuable than waiting for potential improvements in the future. For now, with the DJI Flip making its debut and rumors of the Neo 2 on the horizon, DJI continues to push the boundaries of drone innovation. Whether you choose to invest in the current Neo or hold out for its success, one thing is certain: exciting times lie ahead for drone enthusiasts. As more details surface about the DJI Neo 2, the drone community will be watching closely to see whether it truly delivers the advancements that fans are hoping for.